every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 293rd day of my challenge, where I'm really happy about today's recipe because man, it's been hot and it's been hot for a hot minute, and all I've been trying, I feel like, are recipes in the oven, which boy oh boy, let me know if you understand and if you participate in summer baking. Even without this challenge, or like I should say maybe filming videos, I know I would be baking anyways, just because there are lots of new recipes to try and a lot of them is baking, and hot or not, I will do it just because I want to try new recipes. So today I'm gonna try a cold one and I'm so happy about that. This is a strawberry banana smoothie. Now the only thing I want to mention is about one ingredient, just because it was quite funny. The biggest trouble I had over strawberry banana flavored Greek yogurt. Man, oh man, is this specific. Now, Greek yogurt in general is almost equivalent, I feel like, to just natural yogurt here in Turkey. So that's one. And second, I could not really find a yogurt which would have both bananas and strawberries. So for a second, I was thinking to buy just 2 cups of those banana and then strawberry yogurts and just taking equal parts and mixing it in. But then I realized that I don't usually eat such yogurts. I don't, but I always have plain yogurt at home, and usually I always have some bananas and strawberries. So if it works out with those ingredients, then I'll be a happy camper. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time and whether using simple plain yogurt will work or not, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 300 grams of fresh strawberries, stems removed, 1 banana, sliced, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 60 grams of plain yogurt, and 4 ice cubes. Smoothie, not much to explain what to do. All of the ingredients you just saw will go into a blender and then I'll just blend until I get what I'm looking for. Okay, so that's to quickly recap: strawberries, banana, yogurt, orange juice, and the ice cubes. God, look at the color! You'd think I put some syrup or something. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited. It's so hot. It tastes like there's some sort of there's some sort of syrup. It's sweet and sour at the same time. I love it. This deserves 2 thumbs up. It's sweet from the banana, so actually, just because I'm filming this, I'm trying to use, pretty ingredients, but honestly, you would want to use that ugly looking banana in the smoothie. When the skin turns a little darker already and they become so sweet. This is the perfect recipe to use those bananas in, I feel like, because they are even sweeter. Oh, and then I love this, a kick of freshness, or flash sourness from the orange juice, which, by the way, I tasted my oranges were super sweet, but you just get that, I don't know, freshness. I love it. Bottom line is I love it. It works out with plain yogurt, which I'm super happy about because I, as I mentioned, always have bananas. Most often I have strawberries in summer, and yogurt duh. So the only thing I would need to think and buy extra are oranges, which is super great, and I feel like this is like half food because this will be filling. I mean, you have a banana there, so I don't know, like actually this is a time when I would drink a cup of coffee, just kind of like a pick me up, you know, afternoon, but I feel like this will actually do the job pretty well. So yeah, I'm happy to go and continue on with something cold in this hot summer, and I really hope that you will try this out as well, because this is, if you do try it out, let me know how you liked it and whether you will use the fancy flavored yogurt. It will be even sweeter than I'm sure, but this is natural sweetness, which I like. So this is how Laura's smoothie looks like. If you want to watch her video, the link is there in the cards. You can find the written recipe for this amazing look. But honestly, oh, there was some drop I see. Do I have some smoothie on me? Oh well. You honestly would think you added something, like it's such a gorgeous color, like really like you can get the vibe that there are strawberries inside. It's so red. I'm so surprised about that, because when I made the mango smoothie, it wasn't as yellow as I expected it to be, but this is so red. So the written recipe in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems. I really hope that this was fun and helpful. I really hope that you will try it out because it's amazing, and I will see you soon. Bye!